So, as I mentioned, I'll be taking presentation today. So, who will present? Otherwise, I'll call names. Okay. So, just whoever has prepared it can present. And this, what to say? This presentation, don't take it very lightly. Okay. All the internal assessment marks. No, in your finals there will be total of 100 marks. Out of 100, 60 marks will be theory. Theory means the internal assessment. No, sorry, the external, the exam that will give. No, that will be 60 marks, and 40 marks will be from internal assessment, which will consist of your sessional marks and this mark. So if you don't pass in internal assessment, even if you get 60 out of 60 in your theory exam, you will not pass. So this presentation is very important, okay, for my subject, and for other subjects I don't know. I'll give marks from here only: your attendance, presentation, and for sessional exams, and if there will be one more. So sessional exams, attendance, and presentation, all those will only carry marks. So who will appear? That is the reason I told you like beforehand, so that you may get time to prepare. The exams are over, then you got like 4 5 days. And you'll not get many chances. Okay, today if no one gives, I'll just cancel it for the starting three roll numbers from each department, from DRT 1 2 3, DPT 1 2 3, DOT 1 2 3, DDIT 1 2 3. All those I'll cancel it. I knew this would be the problem. That is why I told roll number wise. Anyone outside those roll numbers also, if you want to give, you can give. See, don't waste my time. No, if you want to give, if you are not prepared, then leave and go. Give your roll number and just go. For other sections also, people smaller than you, those students who had just completed HSLC 10th, those also, they also gave yesterday without any hesitation, without any whatever you're showing now. See, I don't have anything to lose. Okay, if you want to give, you give. If you don't want to give, you don't give. I'll give you 0. But after you fail, don't come to me like I made you fail in internal assessment. If you fail in internal assessment, as I have said, then if you get 60 out of 60 in your theory, you will not pass.
Hello? Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have prepared, like I have wrote in the copy. Actually, my laptop is not working. I have wrote in the copy.
So you can just switch on the video and start explaining. Okay, it is not compulsory to make PPTs, okay, presentations. If you make presentation, then you can share the screen, and if you don't make the presentation, you can just show your face and explain, because otherwise it will be like listening to it, the just the audio, no? So just switch on the audio and switch on the video, and you can explain. If you don't,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, আমি ফটো মাৰি পেলাই স্ক্ৰীন শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিও তো ক'ব পাৰো।
Anyway, ফটো মাৰি কিহৰ ফটো মাৰিবা?
নহয় মেম,
বুকৰ?
যিখিনি আমি টপিকটো আপোনালোকে যেনেকে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰে সেনেকে আমিতো এইটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি ক'ব পাৰো স্ক্ৰীনত।
লিখি পেলাই যদি প্ৰেজেন্টেশ্যনৰ টাইপত কৰা, অ'কে ফাইন।
সেনেকেই মানে মেম, মই সাপোজ কপিত লিখি
অ'কে, প্ৰেজেন্টেশ্যনটো তুমি পাৱাৰ পইণ্টত নবনাই কপিত বনোৱা কথা কৈছা।
কপিত বনোৱাৰ কথা।
But you have to explain, okay? Not line by line reading কৰি গ'লে নহ'ব। Yeah. Yes, that will do. That will do. That will do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
What about the other departments? These two are from DRT. What about other departments? DDIT, DPT, DOT? See, this is your free will, okay? If you don't want to give, just let me know. I'll give you 0. In internal assessment, not in theory. Theory, it's up to you how much you score. In internal assessment, for the presentation part, I'll give you 0. For sessional and exams, that is up to you. For attendance, is up to you. So it's not hard and fast rule that you have to appear. It's not compulsory. But if you want to score marks, you appear. If you don't want marks, then you don't. No need. I'll wait for 5 more minutes, then I'll leave. Yes.
Share কৰিব পৰা নাই।
কিয় পৰা নাই? কোন হয় তুমি? যুগল ডেকা, right?
Yes, ma'am.
পাৰিবা চাগে তেজপা। শ্বেয়াৰ বুলি তলৰ অপশ্যন আছে ন, শ্বেয়াৰত ক্লিক কৰা।
কৰিছো মেম, ইয়াত কিবা অপশ্যন আহি আছে, মানে মই মোবাইলত কৰিছো মেম।
মোবাইলতে কৰিছিলে যোৱাকালিও। কি হৈছে? কি অপশ্যন আহিছে?
ইয়াতে আহিছে শ্বেয়াৰ কন্টেন্ট, তাৰপিছত আহিছে শ্বেয়াৰ স্ক্ৰীন, তাৰপিছত অপটিমাইজ ফৰ ইমেজ, অপটিমাইজ ফৰ ভিডিঅ'।
শ্বেয়াৰ স্ক্ৰীন।
ওকে।
আহিছেতো।
Okay, ma'am. My topic is circulatory system of heart.
Good.
Introduction. The cardiovascular. Cardio means heart. Vascular means blood vessels. Pumping action ensures constant circulation of blood. It means an endless process of our respiratory system. It is hollow muscular organ. Measurement. Our heart is about 10 centimeter long. and we can say its owner's feast. It is 310 gram for male and 225 gram for female. This is approximate value. Layers. Our heart has 3 layers. That is epicardium, outer protective layer, myocardium, muscular middle layer, and endocardium, thin inner layer. Location. Our heart is located in the thoracic cavity, that is chest area between our 2 lungs. Chamber. Heart has 4 chambers. Heart divided into 4 chambers. That is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle. It's circulation. From superior vena cava, the oxygenated blood comes to right atrium, and it passes to right ventricle through tricuspid valve. From right ventricle, blood goes to blood goes blood goes to right pulmonary artery with the help of pulmonary valve. Sorry, ma'am, others, but I forgot.
Okay, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. This much only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, মানে ফাংচন খিনি পাহৰি গলো.
পাহৰিলা, হ'ব দিয়া. Next. And you all can give your roll numbers in the chat box. Attendance for attendance.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Yeah, morning.
मैम ये मेरा रोल नंबर मैम 47 है. क्या मैम अभी बोल सकते हैं हम? लेकिन हम
हाँ.
पीपीटी तैयार नहीं किए.
PPT तैयार नहीं किया. You can switch on the video.
ओके मैम.
PPT is not essential, okay? If you prepare PPT, then you can share the PPT, and if you don't have the PPT, then you can just switch on the video and speak.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll give.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rosemary Daniela Weiss, and then I'm from DOT department. Roll
DOT
number
department, roll number
005.
005.
Yes, ma'am. I'm presenting you about X-rays, product, and their elimination.
You'll show
As
PPT.
question.
You'll share presentation,
No.
PPT. Then you have to switch on the video. You have to show your face.
Okay.
Because otherwise you'll just seem like listening on the audio, no? That's why.
Yeah. Waste product. X-ray. Waste, water, drug, pigments, vitamin, excess iron, phosphate, sulfate, sodium, potassium, and chloride. Waste. There are two tools.
I think your network is not good.
Ma'am, I have also prepared a
Hello,
presentation.
ma'am.
Okay, let her finish. Let her finish.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I think your network, you're having some issue with the network. Rose, you're having network issues, I think. No, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Can you hear me?
So I think your network is not good. Okay, your internet connection is not good, I think. So you have to wait. Okay, you wait. Just tell me when
Okay.
it is good, okay? Because now we can't hear your voice. It's all breaking. Okay, so whenever you get the internet, then only you can present. Okay, your roll number was 008, right? 005. DOT.
Yes, ma'am.
DOT
Yes,
05.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you can present whenever you get the good network, okay? Wait for now. Okay. One more boy, no? DRT 40, I guess, roll number. Okay, anyways, who is next? Next, Reshma can give if you want.
Ma'am, yes, I have presented a presentation, but I have just wrote it down and I can just dictate it and switch on the video.
You can switch on the video and yeah, means you have to explain. Okay, you'll just read it over. Anyways, we'll leave it. Yeah, just present. Just switch on the video.
Ma'am, I have presented a presentation on digestion and absorption. Ma'am, digestion and absorption are occur in the digestive tract. As we know, that digestion means is how your body turns food into nutrients it uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. Whereas absorption is a condition in which something takes in another substance. It is a physical or chemical phenomena in or process in which atoms, molecules, or ions enter in the part. Digestive system. The main organs that make up in the digestive system are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, and rectum and anus. And the functions of digestive system are food enters the mouth and passes to the anus through the hollow organs of GI tract. The inner the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder are the solid organs of the digestive system. Then comes the alimentary canal, the whole passage along which food passes through the body from mouth to anus during digestion. And the functions of alimentary canal are the alimentary canal is a muscular tube which extends from the mouth to the anus. Then comes the digestive gland. There are the three digestive glands, the salivary glands, liver and gallbladder, and pancreas. In the process of the indigestion, digestion and absorption, the body has only one digestive gland. The of food digestion of food is how your body turns food you eat into nutrients it uses for energy, growth, and cell repair. There are 7 steps of digestion. First is ingestion, and second one is propulsion. Third one is mechanical digestion, and fourth one is chemical digestion. Fifth one is absorption, and sixth and last one is defection. Absorption of digested products. Absorption is the process by which the products of digestion are absorbed by the blood to be supplied to the rest of the body. Disorders of the digestive system. The most common gastrointestinal problem. Gastroesophageal reflection disease. Heartburn happens, but if it occurs regularly, you may need to be evaluated for GERD, chronic diarrhea, chronic constipation, gastrointestines, and hemorrhoids. Ma'am, this much only.
Okay.
And my roll number is DRT 001, ma'am.
Okay. For the people who are who will be from today onwards, from the next class onwards, who will be showing the means from the copy. If you have written down, please take photos and share the screen. Okay. Otherwise, it is all shaky and stuff like that. Okay. So if you write on your copies and then you can do one thing, you can take photos and then share the screen. That will be better, I think. Okay, and try to explain little bit. Just write the points and explain it. That is how presentation is done. When I explain it to you guys, I don't read it. No, do I read? See, if whenever I take the class, if I just imagine me presenting and reading from the beginning, if I read, will you people understand? No. I have to to explain. So presentation is the same thing. You have to explain little bit. Okay, this is the first time. I'm not criticizing or anything. This is the first time, so it's okay. But try to explain little bit, and whenever if you cannot make presentation PowerPoint, if you don't have computers and you're not if you cannot make it, then just write in your copies, take screenshots or take photos and share the screen. You can share the pictures, no? Then that way it will be like it was all shaky and all. That way it will be little bit better.
मैम
Yes.
मैम अभी बोल सकते
Yeah,
हैं कि मैम
yeah.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम कैन आई स्टार्ट
Yes, will you share something? Will you?
नो मैम आई विल रीड माय कॉपी
You can take photos from the copy and share the screen, or else you just show your copies or whatever. That was what I was telling now, no? That if you write in your copies, take photos and then you can share it, so that we have some.
Okay, ma'am.
Not me, but the students may like have something to look at. Or else you can show your copy like the way
Okay, ma'am.
Reshma did.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning to you all, respected ma'am and my dear friends. Myself, Master Miguel Gamin from DRT per semester. Today I'm here to share my presentation on my chosen topic. Ma'am, in I've chosen topic in digestive system, ma'am. In digestive system, the foods, ma'am, enters from mouth and it's crushed in our mouth with the help of our teeth, ma'am. Then saliva is excreted by salivary gland and this convert food into sugar form. This happens because saliva contains salivary and food is mixed truly with the help of our saliva and moved to the whole mouth by muscular tongue. And then we started to swallow it from the mouth. It goes to the throat and then to the food pipe. The food pipe is also known as esophagus. The length of anywhere between 8 to 25 centimeter depending on how old we are. The food pipe enter to stomach. Stomach is a stretchy bag that hold our food after we eat. It helps to break down food into smaller pieces so our body can use it for energy and nutrition. Then the food enter to duodenum, which is kind of gate before the small intestine. Small intestine is about 20 feet long and it continues to digest food. Food stays in our small intestine for 4 to 8 hours and the waste goes to the large intestine. It's about 5 feet. Large intestine is about 5 feet. Waste stays in our large intestine for 10 to 12 hours. From large intestine, the undigested food and waste leave the body through bowel movement. There are two more components which helps in our digestive system, liver and pancreas. Liver is a factory for antibodies and bile. It stores vitamin and sugar until our body needs them. Gallbladder is a storage tank for bile, a greenish yellow liquid that helps our body to break down and use fats. It's located under our liver. It shapes like pear. Pancreas Pancreas help us digest food by breaking down sugar. It digests the food we eat. it 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 takes nutrients out of our food so our body can use it. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. 47 DRT, no? Roll number
Yeah,
D. Yeah.
47.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Mm. Anyone else?
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, I will
Yeah.
present, ma'am.
Okay. Are you sharing screen? Hmm? Share the screen. Your voice is not audible. You have not switch on the voice, I guess, if you're speaking.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Now start. Plus, just give me your roll number first.
DDIT 004.
Okay.
Good morning to all my dear friends, respected ma'am. Today I would like to explain on the topic based on breathing and exchange of gases. This process of exchange of oxygen from the atmosphere with carbon dioxide produced by the cells is called breathing. Uh, Breathing, we breathe in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide is known as breathing. Respiration. Respiration is a movement of oxygen from the outside environment to the cells within tissues and the transportation of carbon dioxide in the opposite direction. There are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen is required. Mitochondria also is needed. It produces 36 ATP. And in anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. It does not require oxygen. RBC is needed. In anaerobic respiration, it produces only 2 ATP. Mechanism of breathing. It involves two steps, that is inspiration and expiration. In expiration, inhale, it occurs when the diaphragm and the external intercostal muscle contract. In expiration, exhale occurs when the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles relax. the in the lungs. Hello.
Yes, yes.
When the lungs inhale, the diaphragm contracts and pull downward. At the same time, the muscles between the ribs contract and pull upward. This increases the size of the thoracic cavity and decreases the pressure inside. And in expiration, when the lungs exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and the volume of the thoracic cavity decreases while the pressure within it increases. Exchange of gases. The exchange of gases between the blood and tissues. Oxygen moves from the alveoli to the blood in the capillaries, and carbon dioxide moves from the blood in the capillaries to the air in the alveoli. In disorder of respiratory system, disorder include asthma and emphysema. Asthma may cause difficulty in breathing, chest pain, cough, and wheezing. In emphysema is a lung condition that causes shortness of breath. Emphysema is a chronic disorder in which alveoli walls are damaged. Lungs also is destroyed. One of the major causes of emphysema is cigarette smoking. This is all, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, my enrollment ID is DDIT 004.
004. Okay, I have noted
Yeah,
down.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay. For those who are from the network is not good, if the area network is not good, if you switch on the video, it will be more. It will take more internet, so it will, like, your voice will also break. For those, you have to take screenshots and share the screen. Sharing screen will not take more. Will not take like more internet. Okay, but if you switch on the video, it will require more data, because like, to share the video, to show the videos, it will take up more internet. Okay, for those people who are from areas where network is not good, they should take photos and share the screen, and that is the best way actually, in order to, like, the all those are shaking and stuff like that. So if you have written in your copies, I'm mentioning once again, if you have written in your copies, just take photos and share the screen. Okay, that will be better from next class onwards. Okay, and one more thing, no need to give the whole chapter. You can choose a topic, just do some research on that topic, just look for videos. You can go to YouTube, there are many videos in YouTube. Just go through a few videos and try to explain a little bit. Outside knowledge also you can bring, but try to explain a little bit. Okay, so do that. It's okay, this is the first time, but just for your future knowledge, and for the students that those will give in the coming classes, for them I'm telling, like, try to take it short topic, but try to explain a little bit. Just writing everything down and reading it, that is, we also can read it, huh? So just try to explain a little bit. Just mention the points, write the points, make flowcharts. You can write points, make flowcharts, give diagrams, and then explain. That is how actually a presentation is given. Okay, so if you go for higher educations, you should give the presentation that way. Okay. I don't think today. Okay. I'll take no more today. Okay. For next class, just prepare. Discuss it amongst yourself who will give, or any like, not only the beginning roll numbers. You can give from anywhere if you want to give. But if no one gives, I'll just point out the starting roll numbers only, like 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. I'll just ask them only. But just discuss amongst yourself and try to give it. And I will not today. I spent much time asking, will you give, please, who will give, he or she will give or not. We spend like 15 minutes just calling people, no, So that should not be the case from now on. Whenever I start a class, one by one you should give. Okay, and if you give, it is your means what to say. It is in your benefit. Nothing for me. Even though it is not good, even though you are just trying the first time, it's okay. I'm not judging on the basis of whether your presentation is very good or whether it is not good. But just you have to appear. That is the case. Okay. So, okay, from next class, be prepared. Just either talk amongst yourself or you may take it roll number wise from beginning. But just be sure the CRs make sure there are people from each departments, so that we won't spend like 15 minutes discussing who will give and who will not. Okay, I hope everyone has given the attendance. If you have not given the attendance, you can give it and others can leave. Thank you.